What's up, everybody? Evan Harris here from Harris Family Flips, and we're back again at a $5 bin store, and it's looking pretty slim. So some of these stores have really kind of dropped off a little bit locally near me. Some of the big ones I go to, I'm not going to say names, but it looks like it's slim pickings in there. Hopefully it's not that bad. My hopes are like at this level. But afterwards, we're gonna go to a pallet shop, I believe, different pallets, liquidation pallets, and see what we can find. So stay tuned for that and what I find today.
1 hour later.
I just got out of the store that will not be mentioned because I got asked today not to film in the store after I had already filmed in the store. Yeah, it's kind of confusing, but anyways, it wasn't great, but I think because I lowered my expectations, I feel like I did pretty good. I got 4 items today. I only spent $21.95 after tax. Each item was $5 plus tax, so I'm going to show you those items right now. First thing we got here is this Everbuilt vinyl coated wire rope. 1,960 pound working load limit. Wow, 150 feet of it. I looked these up. It looks like trending, they're at $64. I've seen some sell for 70, some sell for like 58. So I'm gonna try to hit that middle number of 60. And it is heavy. I'm not gonna lie on that point. Definitely heavy, but I feel like if I ship it, worst case scenario, it'll go on a large flat rate and it'll cost me $17 to ship. So I'm sorry if you're hearing outside noise. That's where I'm filming this right now. Next, I got this VTech 2-camera video monitor, and I actually got the pink version of it. So weird thing, most recent sold, I see one of these sold for over $100. I think the more accurate price on this is probably gonna be around 50, but still a really good flip. It's really light, so probably shouldn't cost me more than $10 to ship. So this is the cheapest thing I got today. It retails for right at $30 on eBay. That's what I should sell it for. Thomas & Friends Wood Racing Figure 8 set. Anytime you see Thomas & Friends, I'd say this is a bolo. I've seen 2 Thomas & Friends things at these stores before, and they typically sell pretty decent, over $30. So this is a good find. This was maybe a questionable buy, but I feel like it can be a good profit. It's a Tire Tech digital tire inflator, a nicer tire inflator for sure. It's got a hard shell case with it, all the tubing, everything. It's brand new. I'm thinking it's gonna sell for about $40. There's not a ton of sold comps, but I feel pretty good about it. I'm gonna open it up for you guys real quick just so you can see what I'm talking about. So you see the hard case. Yeah, so there you go. And this is upside down actually, so let's flip it around. I feel like this is upside down, but anyways. But definitely high quality. So I feel pretty good at $40 on that item. So here's some footage from inside the liquidation pallet place that we went to next. I didn't talk over the audio as I was filming because I really wasn't sure how the manager there would take to it. Sometimes people who sell liquidated products are particular about filming there, and I just wanted to be safe rather than sorry. They had pallets ranging anywhere from $150 to $300 on these smaller sized pallets. They also had bigger pallets though that were priced anywhere from like $400 to $550, $600, somewhere in there. This is the pallet I actually bought. Paid $195 for it. More about that in just a moment, but pretty good looking pallet if I do say so myself. How you feeling about that one?
I think I can make my money. I can make my money back for sure on it, just on this right here. And like you were saying, Evan, what'd you say? This is like a Bluetooth.
It's a Garmin receiver, Bluetooth receiver. It's like 60.
So,
60 to 80. This might be a laptop.
This might be a laptop.
Another Bluetooth receiver right here. Great season to sell those marine speakers.
Yeah.
Everybody on the lake. Only $240 too. And you might make most of that back on this.
Yeah.
We're back at the house now. I just got all the stuff in from the pallet. There were 11 total items on it. Like I said before, I paid $195 after tax. That brings us to about $215. Going to show you all the stuff on that pallet now. This is also the room I do all of my photos in, my listing, and my shipping. So kind of give you a behind the scenes look at that as well. Let's hope that we more than doubled our money on this little endeavor. I hope this is something that you're interested in as well. I've never done a pallet unveiling. This is a mini pallet. Like, I feel weird saying pallet when there's only 11 items, but I'm feeling pretty good about it. Let's take a look. So here's our first item. It's an M Audio Keystation Mini 32 MK3 keyboard controller here, and this retails for right at $50. Pretty good deal here. I've opened this one up and it's in really good shape, so shouldn't have an issue selling that. And we're already cutting in to that total investment. Second item we have here is this Kicker CSC65. Both speakers are in the box, already opened it. Do not look used at all. One of the speakers hasn't even been taken out of the wrapping. Thinking somebody might have returned this just because they ordered the wrong size. This is a 6.5 coaxial speaker. Two of them in there. I was expecting more on these, honestly, but it looks like the comps, I've seen some around 80, but just to be conservative, I saw one at $44 plus $18 shipping, I believe. So a right about $60 sale, and looking better as we go. Two items in and already right at half into that investment. I don't know if we're gonna keep getting this lucky, but guys, this was a big hit. Pyle 6-channel Bluetooth marine amplifier. Searched the model number and I found one listed and one sold. The white model had sold for $100. The suggested retail on this is $199, and they don't have it on Amazon, but Pyle is a good brand. I actually opened this up too, and it is 100% complete. I don't know how the shadow is going to work on that, but even the power cord had never been taken out of the factory wrapping, so feeling pretty good about that one. $100 hit, and already we're right about the $200 mark, and we still have, let's see, this was our third item. 8 items left, and they should all be right at almost pure profit. Item that we're probably gonna sell as pre-owned. It's missing the cardboard piece that it sits in. It does have the box, but it's a Newmark DJ2Go2 Touch. Pretty neat little tool here. You can use it with Serato. Any of my DJs out there will know that. Pretty good little on-the-go board mixer. Here's the box as well. I did plug it up to a USB drive. It does power on, so that's good news. And it's got all the modes are functional. So even used though, I looked up just pre-owned copies. Pre-owned copies are selling for $45 plus shipping. So over $50 on this item, and we're still cooking, folks. This is incredible early on, and still have more items to go. Next, we have this Pyle portable karaoke PA speaker amplifier and microphone system. This is perfect for the ball field. I see a ton of parents and coaches with these. So this is our first item that is missing something. So just to take into account, if it's missing something, that doesn't mean it's valueless. So if this was complete, it would sell even open box for right about $75. It is missing a headset piece, but other than that, it does work. It's missing one piece that you don't have to operate it. And I believe I can get on Facebook Marketplace about $50 for this item, and there'll be no fees. So that would be like selling it on eBay for closer to $60 or $65. This one item almost makes all of our money back. It's a Pioneer GM D8704 1200 watt max amplifier. Retail on this on eBay is looking at $189. I opened it up, all the parts are there. It doesn't look used, so feeling very confident about this one. ribbon loser item, I think, so far. We've done pretty good up till this point. Hopefully this isn't a trend, but this is a Toto A6 Android in-car entertainment center. So interesting on this, the eBay sales are all over the place. One for 100, one for 236, and one for 150, all in the same day. So not really sure about that, but this thing was not packaged. Yeah, let's just throw it down some more. Packaged very well. It's definitely been attempted to be used. Let's see if I can flip it up here and show you guys. So this is probably going to be an attempted marketplace sale, and hope and cross my fingers, but I don't know if you can see. It's just kind of tossed in there. All the parts do look there. Some of the parts look like they haven't even been plugged up. Some of the sticky pads haven't been removed to make it a permanent fixture. So maybe, cross my fingers, but I think I'm going to list this for like 60 on Marketplace and see what happens. Another item with something missing but still going to be a profitable item is this Audio Technica streaming podcasting pack. It's actually missing the headphones, which is a nicer piece of it, but everything else is still factory packaged. It's got the bar here with the microphone, still really nice. Instruction manual. If it was complete, so comps were $200, $150 and more. I'm thinking even without the headset that I can get 75 to 80. And I actually know a guy that does a podcast here locally. I'm going to offer him this. Alright guys, another really good item. I opened the top of this up and immediately could tell it is still brand new. Everything is in the factory wrapping, still sealed, not even touched. Pretty awesome. This is probably something somebody got, automatically returned. It's got the inspection sticker on the top where it was certified, so I feel really good about it. Retail on this, as far as eBay's concerned, it's looking right at $78, $80, somewhere in that range. I'll try Marketplace just because I have a lot of lakes around me. This is a system for a boat. I think a boat owner may want to buy this and try to list it at $70 locally, which would be a pretty good profit and give somebody a great deal. As this is the first item I could not find for sale on eBay. I found similar models but not the same exact model number. The comp on Amazon is 118. I don't sell on Amazon currently. It's also got a Walmart comp. Walmart sold out of them 118, 120 as well. I'm going to hit up Marketplace on these. I'm going to ask, I think 85's fair, especially with them being sold out. I think I can get that, and they look complete in the box. This is the last item we're going to look at from the pallet. It is the last item that I have to look at from the pallet, but it's Edifier. I don't know how you say that. R1280T. So these were actually really popular on eBay, but not selling for a ton. Brand new, right around 90. A lot of pre-owned sold for 50 plus. This box does not look promising. The duct tape, it's also got my name on it and sold and all that stuff. So I'm going to open this one with you guys so you can actually see the unboxing as it goes. But multimedia speakers, they look really nice. Talked about, let's see, alright. Cutting with one hand and filming with the other is not the easiest thing in the world. My $5 knife from a bin store. If you can go back 2 videos, you'll see that. Alright. Yeah, I mean, I need my other hand. Let's see. Does it fix what's going on in this box? Oof, alright. Question is, do they work? Alright, we got a lot. The remote is still wrapped pretty well, and it still has the instruction manual that I could plug one of these ancient devices into, because my iPhone don't have that no more. I'm gonna turn it on. So they work. They have a really good sound. So that's it for this video, guys. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Do you want to see more pallet videos? I think next time I should do a bigger pallet. Give it a thumbs up and comment below if you would like to see that. Also hit that subscribe button. It is greatly appreciated. Until next time, guys, this is Evan Harris from Harris Family Flips. See you later.